we Indians enjoy the cheapest data rates. In India, the price of 1 GB data is around 12 to 13 rupees, whereas the same 1 GB data in United Kingdom is around 500 to 600 rupees, and in United States it's around 700 to 800 rupees. But why we have the cheapest data rates? Has data been this cheaper from the very beginning? If not, then why now is it so? In this video, we're gonna discuss all about that. Why we have the cheapest data rates, since when all of this happened, and what are the reasons behind it. So let's start the video. The data rates in India were not always like today. In the early years, around 2014 and 2015, the data rates were around 200 to 300 rupees per GB. People were very conscious about their mobile data usage as it was very costly at that time. They only used to turn on the mobile data when it was necessary. But suddenly after 2016, all the things changed. The data price fell drastically and people stopped caring about the data usage as data rates became very cheap. Before 2016, there were 11 telecom operators in the market, but presently there are only 4. Before 2016, there was space for the Indian telecommunication operators to grow in the market and new players were also evolving. The reason behind this was that they were having a good amount of margin. But after 2016, all of them except one have seen the decrease in revenue and they all are mounting up losses. The reason is that they are forced to operate in wafer-thin margins and under unsustainable conditions. But what happened in 2016? Why the fate of Indian telecommunication sector changed after 2016? The answer is Reliance Jio. Mukesh Ambani led Reliance Jio started in the year 2016 and after that all of this happened. Jio offered it high quality data in a very cheap price and catered to the market which was earlier ignored. Due to the fierce and cutthroat competition in the market, other telecom operators were forced to lower down their price, adopting cost cutting of operations, improving technology and increasing the quality and quantity of service. But at this data rates, telecom operators can't operate much longer. It's not sustainable for them. They are piling up losses and if this continues, they have to shut down their operations. Now, one important question. How Reliance Jio is able to do so? Isn't it facing losses like any other companies? The answer is no. Reliance Jio is operating profitably and according to them, they are not facing any problems and can grow without any additional investment as only 1/5 of their capacity is used till now. But why Reliance Jio is in this position? What makes it special? What advantages it have over the other telecom players? Reliance Jio mainly have 3 advantages over other telecom operators. First is it has a pan-India 4G license. Second, it has a better 4G technology as compared to its competitors. And third, it provides additional facilities and features along with its telecom services. Now let's discuss all of this in a bit more detail. Reliance Jio have 4G license for all across the India. But at the same time, its competitor doesn't have license for the pan-India. They have only license for some specific regions of India. Now regarding the technology part, Reliance Jio have better technology as compared to its competitors. Other operators still use the old technology which is impacting their downfall. Till date, other operators operate in the 2G and 3G spectrum whereas Reliance Jio doesn't. This gives an advantage to it as now Jio have to focus only on the 4G spectrum rather than maintaining all the 2G, 3G and 4G spectrum. This also helps in cost saving. Along with operating in the telecommunication space, Reliance Jio provides its users other facilities such as Jio TV, Jio Cinema, Jio Savan, Jio Magazine and much more. These were the reasons why Reliance Jio is winning in the telecommunication space and Reliance Jio is the reason why we all are getting cheaper data rates. As Reliance Jio is keeping its price low, its competitors are also forced to keep their price low. But sustaining at these data rates is quite not possible for the telecom operators and in the future, they will have to increase the data rates. So that's all in today's video. In this video, we have discussed why India enjoys the cheapest data rates, what are the reasons behind it, what happened after Jio entered the market, and why Reliance Jio is having an edge compared to its competitors. If you have any thoughts, opinions or suggestions, feel free to write it down in the comment section below. Until next time, thank you for watching the video.